A very good morning to all present here. Now, the subject I would like to brief in is the Code of Criminal Procedure, the CRPC, which came into force in 1974. Now, an interesting thing to be taken into consideration is that we are having various laws. We are having hundreds of laws in a country governing our society, governing our criminal judicial system. But still, we lack in justice giving system. We are having IPC, Indian Penal Code. We are having Indian Evidence Act, which came into force in 1872. And we are having various other laws, but still we lack in justice giving system. So what is the lacuna? What is the gap which we are unable to fill? Now, through various studies, through various committee reports and various introspection, the conclusion came that where we lack is the implementation upon the laws, the proper and ground level interpretation of laws. We are having laws, we are having verdicts, we are having judgments, we are having rules made by the court or by the authorities in the parliament, but still we lack in justice giving system. We have to think about it, we have to introspect about it, we have to take things into consideration according to laws and procedures, the rules made therein by the parliament and the act. So what all things are to be taken into consideration, which we have to look upon it. Now, for the purpose of CRPC, coming back to CRPC, what was the purpose of bringing CRPC? What is the basic aim or object of CRPC? Now, for any law, which we all know, is the basic purpose is to arrest the accused, to punish it, and provide justice to the aggrieved party, to the needy ones, to the poor ones. So this is what an act is. Now, why an act is required, why the CRPC was required? Now, for any act to follow, for any criminal act to follow, criminal judicial system to follow, we need certain procedures, we need certain laws, we need certain rules to be implemented, to be followed by the police, by the courts, by the judicial system, so that we can easily and conveniently follow those rules, and which can be effective in the ongoing process of criminal judicial system. For this purpose, an act is required. For this purpose, CRPC was required. So was the reason CRPC came into force. Now, for the purpose of CRPC, various important provisions which actually exist therein is that most important section is section 26 of CRPC, which laid down certain